Hello, my name is Ray, and I'm the Ray in the Ray Code. In this video, I'll be covering the abstract factory design pattern, and I'll be using Java. Not JavaScript, but Java, the real deal. Although I do tutorials in JavaScript and other programming languages, this one will be in Java. So don't let me prevent you from watching those videos. In fact, I encourage you to watch them, but don't leave this video. That's another metric that YouTube looks at. You can do this. Tell your friends, put it on your cover letter, resume, and say it in your voicemail. Share it on your social media and like my social media also. I understand if you do this, it's an optimal way to go viral. I have put timestamps in the margin so you may navigate to the section you like most. My favorite is SWOT analysis. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Ray Code can be found on all my social media platforms. Search them out. Become a Ray Code groupie. 5 reasons to study the abstract factory pattern for Java developers. Modularity encourages code that's easier to maintain by abstracting object creation for UI themes or database drivers. Scalability enables building complex systems like GUI frameworks where object families must evolve without breaking code. Flexibility supports switching between different product variants, example given different OS widgets with minimal code changes. Consistency helps ensures that Java components from the same family are used together, avoiding incompatibility bugs. Testability facilitates mocking dependencies in unit tests by abstracting object creation behind factory interfaces. UML, Abstract Factory, declares an interface for operations that create abstract product objects. Concrete Factory implements the operation to create concrete product objects. Abstract Product declares an interface for a type of product object. Concrete Product defines a product object to be created by the corresponding concrete factory. Client uses only interfaces declared by Abstract Factory and Abstract Product classes. Collaborations. Normally, a single instance of a concrete factory class is created at runtime. This concrete factory creates product objects having a particular implementation. To create different product objects, clients should use different concrete factory. Abstract Factory defines creation of product objects to its concrete factory subclass. Hello, my name is Ray of the Ray Code. In this presentation, I want to give you an example of the abstract factory creation pattern. I'll be using Java. The abstract factory pattern provides an interface for creating families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. We start with the creation of an interface. The name of this interface will be abstract product A. It will require the user of this interface to have an interact method. We create another interface we call abstract product B. It will require the user of this interface to have an interact method of which we can pass an abstract product A object. Now, let's create the product objects. We start with a product we call product A1. We extend it with the abstract product A. We can use the autocode generator to make our interact method. We have an override for our interact method. We return the message product A1 interacting. Now let's create another class we call product A2. It too is implemented with the abstract product A. We use the code auto generator to generate the interact requirement. From here, we will return the string product A2 interacting. Next, we create the product B1 class that implements the abstract product B interface. We return a string product B1 interacted with abstract product A, a type of object that was just passed in. Next, we create a product B2 class in which we also implement the abstract product B interface. Thus, we are required to have an interact method that takes an object of abstract product A, of which we evoke the interact method. Now, let's create abstract factory interface. This is an interface factory for creating families of products A and B. Let's create a concrete factory 1 class, which is an interface for creating families of products A and B, which implements the abstract factory. Let's add the overrides for creating products A and B. We replace the first null with return product A1. We replace the second null with a return new product B1. We create a concrete factory 2 class, which is also implemented with the abstract factory. For the first null, we return a new product A2. And for create product B, we return a new product B2. Now, let's create a client class for our demo. We start with the class structure. We have some private variables for abstract product A and abstract product B. In our client method, we run create product A and create product B. And we create a run method in which we have a product B interact with a product A object. Now, let's go to the main method to do our demo. We have a concrete factory 1 code setup and run. We do the same for a concrete factory 2 object. Now, let's compile and run. And we get using concrete factory 1, product B1 interacts with product A1. And using concrete factory 2, product B2 interacts with product A2. My name is Ray, always code with a smile. SWOT analysis of the Creational Design Pattern known as Abstract Factory in Java. S. Strengths. Promotes clean separation between interface and implementation layers. Simplifies the addition of new product families. Reduces code duplication across product variants. W. Weaknesses. Increases complexity with multiple classes and interfaces. Can lead to over-engineering in simple applications. May obscure concrete object behavior from developers. O. Opportunities. Ideal for plugin architecture and enterprise-level system design. Enable cross-platform UI development using consistent abstractions. Supports Java applications needing runtime product switching. T. Threats. Misuse can make debugging object creation change difficult. May hinder performance if used inappropriately in resource-constrained apps. Could confuse team members unfamiliar with design patterns. Well, that was my video. Please give this video a like. I worked hard to create it. Leave a comment and find me on all my social media platforms. But most of all, tell a friend the Ray Code is awesome.